We've heard it said before that life isn't just about the destination. Life is about the journey. But the difference between a bumpy ride and a smooth journey are the partners we work with along the way.
Right now, Victory Liner is one of the top transport industry ngayon within Philippine market. So we are very specific pagdating sa safety ng aming mga pasahero. We're using Bridgestone talaga. We are very particular sa mga tire na ito, lalo kung it will affect yung aming customer retention. Bridgestone talaga is one of our longest partner na rin with our maintenance team, especially sa tires. Knowing that Victory Liner is already 78 years in service ngayong taon, talagang kina-qualify talaga namin yung experience sa Bridgestone pertaining to good customer satisfaction. So as of today, wala kaming masyadong breakdowns concerning to tires. And as to grip naman ng tire talaga, it's a 100% na nakukuha naman niya yung aming specification based on standard ng aming mga buses.
With a partnership like Bridgestone and Victory Liner, every journey is a smooth one, ensuring the safety of every passenger at all times.
Pagka po nagdadrive po kasi, ang Bridgestone po, ayon sa aking experience, tahimik po ang gulong pagka mabilis na po yung takbo. Nandoon po kasi ang kaligtasan ng bukod sa akin, pati din po sa pasahero. Iwas na rin po sa aksidente. Saka tao po ang sakay natin, hindi po kung anong bagay. May buhay. Importante po kasi yung mga gulong na ginagamit, yung 100% na matibay. Kasi po may mga pamilya din po kaming nag-aantay sa amin at gusto ko rin pong iparanas sa mga pasahero ko na makarating din po sila ng ligtas sa aming paroroonan.
Ako si Arlene. 7 years na akong sumasakay kay Victory Liner. Kaya ako pinipili si Victory Liner dahil nakakauwi ako sa aming probinsya at komportable ako sa biyahe. Si Victory Liner kasi nag-o-offer sila ng online booking. Pagdating ko sa terminal, meron akong reserve seat. I-redeem ko lang yung ticket sa terminal, then meron na akong sure na upuan. Hindi na ako nakikipagsiksikan or nagbabaka sakali na maging chance passenger lang ako.
Hi, ako nga pala si Sheila. Bale, 6 years na ako sumasakay kay Victory Liner. Bali, si Victory Liner kasi napapadali niya yung pag-uwi ko sa aming bahay, which is marami siyang schedule na pinoprovide, lalo na sa mga pang-probinsya na biyahe. Marami siyang ino-offer na bus. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito ay meron silang ino-offer na mga pet-friendly. Malaya kong nadadala ang aking mga alagang hayop.
Bridgestone was one of the most popular tire supplier in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines, but worldwide. That's why we decided to get them as one of our suppliers. We prepared Bridgestone for its durability, safety, and cost efficiency. The mission of Victory Liner is to move people better and safer. We are looking for partners, not just beneficial to us, but more importantly, for the safety and satisfaction of our customer. Using Bridgestone also brought Victory Liner good after sales. Due to its road worthiness, that it can reduce the fuel consumption or cost per kilometer. It is cost efficient.
Bridgestone and Victory Liner. It's all about the journey.